Hello guys. To install Erdas Imagine 2023 latest version, you have to check some things first, and you have to follow the steps. So at first, just go to the search bar and search add or remove. Then go to this option. Then you will see all your installed apps from Microsoft Store and other sources also. So search for Erdas Imagine if there is any previous Erdas Imagine software like 2022 or 2014, any version. So you just have to install that Erdas Imagine, and along with another software, that is geospatial licensing. So these two software you have to check if this is installed to your PC. You have to just make sure that you have installed those two software application. One is Erdas Imagine and another is geospatial licensing software. So after you have installed those two apps completely, then you can restart your PC. Then you have to download this full package or full zip file from given link. I'll share the link with along with this video. So you have to download that whole file and then store somewhere. Then just unzip this folder. I'll go with 7-zip. You can unzip if you don't have any third-party software for unzipping this zipped package. You can just click on this extract all option also. This also can do the thing. So wait for a second. Okay, we have completely unzipped the full file. Then just open this folder and you will find this three folder. So this is the licensing software. So we will first do the imagine that v16.8 164. So we'll go to this folder first, then go to the setup, double click on this setup, then give the permission. Yes. Okay. Then this plus icon, go to this, click on this name, then install. Okay, then next and accept, next. Okay, here one thing you have to remember that these options must be like this. If there is any cross or red icon, then you have to just click on this drop down and click on this feature and all sub features. This cross icon maybe disturb your directory address maybe, so I will just make sure that all icons are looks like this. Okay, then you can also change the directory to installation. I will change it also. Actually I don't have much space for the C drive, so I will change this. To change this, you have to just click on this change, and then make sure you have copied this name. Okay, then I will go to my directory, then this installation folder I have, then I will paste the name directory here. Then okay, this will create a new folder as Hexagon, then Erdas image, and then the installation files. Okay, next, install it. Okay, I will pause the video for some time until status is completed. So okay, the installation result is completed. Then now finish it. So okay, performing configuration task. Okay, it will take some time also. So I'll pause it again. So that unzipping work has done. Now this window is come again. Now you have to make sure that these all options are ticked. If not, then you have to click on this and this will enable all of the options. Then apply for at least 2 or 3 times. Then close it. Now this installation has been successfully completed. Status is green or done. Then now close it and do this folder again. And now we have to install this geospatial licensing. Go again and this setup. Yes. Then we have to just click on this install. Now okay, next I accept. Next this again, this you have to check this option. Okay, this if this is same or not, you have to click on this. Then just if you have changed your directory or location before, then you have to change it again here. If you didn't change your directory for installation, you can keep it as it is. So I'll change this. So I have that Hexagon folder. Now I will just copy this name. So I'll go to 7 installation, then this Hexagon, and now I will paste it here. Okay, next, install. Okay, it's successfully completed. Finish. Okay, status is done. Then close it. Now the thing is, we have to import the license, because this is a official version. We have the organization license. If you are having any organization or any institutional license, you have to follow these steps, and this is not a cracked version. So if you have any personal license, so you can do the same also, that like you have to import your personal license file to get licensing administrator. So for the students, you have to just go to this folder. Don't unzip this zip file. This can lead to error for the files. So you can just open this zip folder, and then you can expand this option so that you can choose your MAC addresses accordingly. So if you don't remember your MAC addresses, you can just go to your control panel. Okay, control panel, then network and internet, network sharing center. Okay, change adapter setting, Wi-Fi, right click, status, details. Then you will find that your physical address. So my one is 4C80EE, 4C80EE. So I will find that one. So I have to find this 4C, okay, 80E. This one is my file, license file. So I have to just Control C, or you can right click and copy. Okay, then you have to go to your that installation directory. installation Hexagon. I will make a folder here named as license maybe. Okay, then I'll paste the file here. Okay, now you have to search again for the geospatial license administrator, not those applications. You have to find the administration one. License administration is this one. You have to open this one. Then you have to click on license management, then legacy license, and then import license file. License management, then legacy licenses, and import license file. Okay, click on there and go to your directory and file license. Now just open it. Okay, voila, done. That's all you have to do. Now I will just open for once Erdas Imagine 2023. Okay, you can see license to my institute name. So this is successfully completed. Now we have Erdas Imagine 2023. That's all. Go to yourself, and if you find any issue or any problem, you can contact me or you can leave a comment below.